Hey guys, welcome back to Unstop Biology. So guys, in today's video, we are going to study about photophosphorylation. So you must remember, and you would have seen the last video where we actually saw how the electron transport system works, how the Z scheme, right? So we studied the Z scheme and we saw how this Z scheme works, right? So in today's video, we are going to discuss the photophosphorylation in detail. Before that, we'll also see the splitting of water. Okay. So guys, I hope you are going through all the videos that I'm making, and we are right now at chapter 13 in class 11th for our NCERT series. And we are right now studying the topics of photosynthesis in higher plants, right? So guys, if you have watched my videos and if you did like the videos, please do like it and share it with your friends. And if you have any doubt, please do not hesitate in asking your doubts. Please comment on the videos as feedback. I would be needing your feedback. And also, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get all the updated videos that I'll be posting in future. So let's start with the photophosphorylation, guys. Now, before that, as I said, we'll also discuss few things about splitting of water. So basically, we saw that during the PS1 and PS2 electron transport system, what happened? The electrons were moved from photosystem 2, right, to photosystem 1, right? Now, when we move these electrons from photosystem 2, basically the new electrons, right, must be replaced. Now this is achieved by electrons which are available due to splitting of water. You'll have to remember that this splitting of water is associated with what? It is associated with PS2. Splitting of water is associated with PS2, right? Now what happens? Water splits into 2H plus and O and electrons. And these electrons, right? These electrons are needed to replace the electrons which are removed from photosystem 1 and are provided by photosystem 2 again and again, right? This process keeps on going. So basically, oxygen, right? This oxygen is also the one of the net products of photosynthesis, and that is why we say that oxygen is released. So basically, two molecules of water, when they split, you get this ion plus oxygen and four electrons, and these electrons are used by photosystem 2 and is transferred to photosystem 1 through the electron transport system. So this is all about water splitting, guys, right? Now let's see what is cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So what does this photophosphorylation mean? Now we know that living organisms have the capability of extracting energy, right? And this energy is extracted from oxidizable substances. And then this is stored in the form of bond energy, right? Now, there are special substances like ATP which carry this energy in their chemical bonds. And that is why we say that ATP is nothing but an energy molecule, right? So basically the process through which ATP is synthesized by the cells, and this ATP is synthesized where? In mitochondria. We call mitochondria as powerhouse of the cell, right? And chloroplasts, right? So this ATP is synthesized by cell in mitochondria and chloroplast, and this process of ATP synthesis is phosphorylation. This process is phosphorylation. Now basically photophosphorylation, in this photo means synthesis of ATP and inorganic phosphate in the presence of light. So basically photo is for light, right? So if this process of phosphorylation is happening in the presence of light, then it is photophosphorylation. And if the two photosystems basically work in a series, first PS2 and then the PS1, right? Now here even the photosystem 2 PS2 which is involved is the dark one which is used in dark reaction. So basically here both the systems are involved. So for half of the time you need light, for half of the time you do not need light, right? And that is why this is basically non-cyclic, right? This is known as non-cyclic phosphorylation. So here the two photosystems are connected through an electron transport chain. As we studied in the previous video, here there is no cycle which is continued, right? So every time electrons are replenished in the photosystem 2, they are transferred to photosystem 1 through electron transport system, and there they change, right? The ADP to ATP and NADP plus to NADP H plus H plus. So both ATP and NADPH are synthesized by the Z scheme. We know this now, right? Now when only PS1 is functional, right? So basically non-cyclic photophosphorylation is when PS2 and PS1 both are involved. When only PS1 is functional, the electron is circulated within the photosystem, right? And phosphorylation occurs. So here when the electron is just being circulated, now this is a cyclic flow of electrons, and this is known as cyclic photophosphorylation. So basically the Z scheme that we studied, the Z scheme that we studied was non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Right. Now we'll see the cyclic photophosphorylation as well. Now what I said that in cyclic photophosphorylation only PS1 is functional and the electron is circulated within the photosystem. So basically there is a cyclic flow of electrons. Now this happens in stroma lamellae of chloroplast, and stroma lamellae membranes basically lack PS2 as well as NADP reductase enzyme. So basically here what happens? The excited electron is cycled back to PS1 complex through the electron transport chain. Here again electron transport system is used, but what it is doing is this electron transport chain is recycling. Basically it is cycling the electron within the PS1 complex itself, right? So here cyclic flow results in synthesis only. So here it only results in the synthesis of ATP, but it does not synthesizes NADPH plus H plus, right? So cyclic photophosphorylation only occurs when basically it also occurs when only light of wavelength beyond, right? It will also capture light of wavelength beyond 700 nanometer which are available for excitation. Now let's see the cycle of this cyclic photophosphorylation once. Let's see how it happens. Right? So here what is happening is basically this is light, this is sunlight. From here the sunlight is going towards the P700, right? And this is inside chlorophyll. Here you have chlorophyll cells as well, and it is happening in stroma lamellae, right? So the basically light is falling on the reaction center of photosystem 1. So this is photosystem 1. And then again, the electrons which are falling here are captured by electron acceptor. And these electron acceptor transfer the electron to the electron transport system. And now here you see there is a cycle. So basically this electron transport system is again forwarding the electron to the reaction center, which again is getting excited, going to electron acceptor, and again is moving towards electron transport system. And here in the electron transport system, the ADP is getting converted to adenosine triphosphate to ATP, which is the energy bearing molecule. So guys, this is the exact, remember, this is the exact flowchart of cyclic photophosphorylation. Right, so I hope you would have understood this properly, guys. If you have any doubt, please do let me know either in comments of the video, or you can also ask your doubts over WhatsApp. I have given WhatsApp number in the description of the video. And guys, if you did like it, if you did understand this, please do like the video and share it with all your friends. And yes, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get all the updates that I'll be posting on my channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.